Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today I want to show you a minimalistic, very striking tiger paint job. It is very nice. Take a look. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So let's take a look at this tiger. It's white with gray and a very thin pinstripe, but it's a nice looking airplane. And from this particular direction, notice how the front flows into the wingtip, into the tail. From the side, it blends very well together. It goes underneath the wing, it goes on the tail, and it goes on the wheel pants, and it breaks the cowling. It's a very nice, striking looking paint job. Now, we get a lot of aircraft through the shop, but this one caught my eye and I thought I would share it with you as a very pretty job. Now let's take a look at how they wrapped around the leading edge of the wing with the paint job. It goes under the wing to the top of the wing, and then when it gets here to the wingtip, it curves around and flares to the tip of the wingtip. It is a very striking paint job. I mean, whoever came up with this idea did a good job on it. By the way, the tail looks like a tiger paint job on the tail, with the way the tigers break on the tail and the cheetahs would go straight up, but that's in another video. This was a very nice looking paint job, and I thought I'd share it with you so you could see it in all of its detail. White on the top, white on the bottom, and a little gray stripe with black pinstripes. Again, a very striking paint job, and something we might want to think about if we ever do another paint job. I mean, I have seen times where people took silhouettes of their airplane, printed them out on a Xerox machine, and laid them on the coffee table during a party and gave everybody colors and said, come up with colors and a paint job to help me design my airplane. So here's another stake in the ground for you. It's a very nice, striking paint job. I actually very much like the way it sits on the airplane, and I imagine it translates very well in flight from a nice looking aircraft. So again, this is a tiger that's coming in. We're going to be putting a trio autopilot in it, but we just wanted to share with you a very unusual paint job, give you something to put in your folder of things you might like to do to your airplane. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.